श्रीमान संजय कुमार झा जी।
धन्यवाद चेयरमैन साहब। One district, one product is an elaborately thought out undertaking of Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade to transform local specialties into global brands, supporting artisans, farmers and small enterprises while preserving India's rich cultural heritage. One district, one products are showcased and promoted internationally through trade fairs, exhibitions, e-commerce platform and diplomatic channels, thereby enhancing India's export footprint and brand value. Bihar has shown tremendous potential under one district, one product scheme. Each district had strategically identified export-oriented products ranging from pharmaceuticals from Siwan to bamboo products from Samastipur, as well as the globally acclaimed Shahi, Litchi and Litchi fruits of Muzaffarpur, and Katarni rice and silk from Bhagalpur, makhan from Mithila, as you know, tea from Kishanganj, to name a few. While ODOP as a stand-alone initiative promises to transform the local economy of a district, when combined with yet another initiative, the Mera Gaon Meri Dharohar MGMD program, it could help herald or reinforce knowledge of India's cultural tradition across the globe. Mera Gaon Meri Desh mapping of the cultural ecosystem in India's villages carries the potential to enrich one district, one product narratives by embedding history, rituals and local identity into product branding. Thus, each one district, one product export could be showcased as a living cultural artifacts, villages, lores, legends and verified traditional knowledge documented under Mera Gaon Meri Desh can form the cultural backbone of one district, one product promotions. Villages mapped under Mera Gaon Meri Desh for their distinctive crafts, art forms or rituals could be formally clustered as one district, one product heritage spaces. Such spaces can integrate one district, one product export production with cultural exhibition zones and community museums. This model links livelihood generation with the preservation of intangible cultural heritage. I urge government to look into it.
Thank you.